Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nathan, this is Royal Masters. So we have the mopping challenge of ketchup with the Veniibot N1, and spoil it, this is the failed challenge. The Veniibot actually has a serious flaw, which they can actually fix, so watch this video and I'll show you exactly what's going on with the Veniibot. Alright, let's go ahead and get started.
Cleaning on specific area.
Okay, so here's the Veniibot in action. I actually had it set to my master bathroom. That's the live map update off to your left there. And here's the good things about the Veniibot. It has 1800 Pascal, also has a long battery life at 2 hours with its large 5200 milliamp hour battery. I have tested the robot to pick up some plastic beads and it did really well. It was able to go over the area twice, which has the best results. One thing to note is the robot is very quick at creating a map. Like with most LiDAR-based robot vacuums, it only takes one cleaning run to complete a map. I found that the navigation on the N1 is very good. It's able to update its map in real time, also navigate around objects in real time. The only other robot vacuum that I know of is the Roborock series that can update around objects. Most robot vacuums have to bump into the objects before they can go around the object, kind of like the Roombas or like the 360S6. So this is probably the strong point of the Veniibot, is it is able to pick up really well with its 1800 Pascal of suction. Also the combo brush is really good. It will pick up small to large debris. I do like the fact that the LiDAR system is very good. There's no major bugs that I can see. So what do I mean by this? Well, there's a couple tests I did. I actually had the robot go to different areas on the map and the robot was able to get there, no issues. There's no problems with the robot getting confused. Also, the map is very rock solid. There wasn't any obscuring, kind of like on the Roblox earlier firmware versions where the map would get rotated 180 degrees or 90 degrees. So the Veniibot's off to a good start. We'll start with the perimeter and then we'll fill in that perimeter with a back and forth cleaning pattern. This is very similar to the Roborock. I would like to see a dedicated cleaning pattern, kind of like on the Viomi V2, where it provides a back and forth cleaning motion as when mopping, but unfortunately this robot only has one cleaning pattern for both mopping and vacuuming. So you may notice in the center of the area there's some ketchup. No, that's not blood, it's actually ketchup I just put down. I want to see how well the Veniibot can handle the ketchup, and you'll notice that once the Veniibot does get to the ketchup area, it has the issues. Here at Robot Masters, I try to capture the good, the bad of these robot vacuums so you can make an informed choice to see if this robot vacuum is right for you. So I like to tell it as it is, so if you like this type of video where the robot actually fails, please smash the like button, help me gauge if this video is popular or not. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome, my name's Nathan. I do a lot of cool robot vacuum challenges, head-to-heads, I do unboxings. I usually get a new robot vacuum every month. I have a couple great partnerships I'm working with, so I'll be getting a Roborock S5 Max shortly, probably within a few weeks or so. Okay, looks like the Veniibot's done with the perimeter sweep, and now it's going to go ahead and do a back and forth clean pattern. It looks like it's doing a good job until it starts hitting to the ketchup. And this goes to my first problem with the Veniibot. You notice how the mopping pad's towards the rear of the robot? I really think for a true dedicated mopping robot, it should have the mopping pad up front so it doesn't get its extractor bar, the side brush, and wheels all dirty. So I will show the wheels getting all mucked up with ketchup at the end of the video. If you look close, you may notice that the left side of the wheel actually got some ketchup and it is going to get gumped up. This is the problem that the robot has, is once the wheels start getting gumped up with the slippery surface of the ketchup, it's actually going to cause problems with the robot. Okay, just hold on 1 second. So it looks like this pass, the robot did a really good job. It did do some minor smearing, but keep in mind that the mopping pad is applying about 1 kilograms of downward force, so it is doing a good job picking up. But here's where the problem lies right about now. Okay, here's the issue. When the mopping pad is applied, the robot starts moving. Do you think the robot's confused, or is it having issues with mopping? Hold on 1 second, I'll let you guys think about it, and I'll tell you guys the answer. Let me just show you what's going on with the Veniibot. If you notice these wheels here, when I run my fingers across them, they get really slick if they become wet. That's what happened, is they actually got some ketchup on them and became super slick. And with this tile flooring, it just became very slick and there's no traction on this wheel. So that's why the robot was kind of spinning and wasn't going anywhere. That's a huge downside. I will get in contact with Veniibot. Maybe they can give me some replacement rubber that's a little bit stickier to avoid this feature. But for now, the mopping feature doesn't work because of this flaw is the super slick rubber wheels. Another thing I did note is the mopping pad is quite dirty, which I will show you in a few seconds how well the cleaning system works, and you can see if it can scrape off all that ketchup. I think for mopping robot, you really want the mopping pad up front, because what happens is ketchup gets everywhere, gets on the side brush, even gets on the extractors here. Can you guys see that? Look at that right there, folks. You see that? There's actually ketchup right there. That's just a downside. There's even ketchup on the wheels. So if you actually have like a ketchup sticky mess, I recommend getting a robot that has a front-facing mopping pad, kind of like the Bravo Jet series, like the 240, the M6, or even like the I Like W400, which is designed for wet mopping jobs. Okay, so last thing I want to show you is how well the Veniibot can clean its mopping pad.
Return for washing. Start cleaning. Cleaning done.
Notice that as it was trying to wash its mopping pad, it kind of pushed the robot off to the left a little bit, or obscured it. I suspect that's because the wheels are still very slick, but I'll show you if we can clean up the mopping pad. There you go, folks. Looks like it still has a lot of ketchup on there. Alright, so that's a look at the Veniibot N1. I think it has a lot of great promising features, but hold off on a bit, because a lot of the features I've tried are either broken or they don't work too well. If you want a good hybrid mopping robot, get like the Robot S6 or the Robot S5 Max. I will be reviewing that robot on my channel shortly, within a few weeks or so. But if you want a good dedicated mopping robot, the I Like W400 is great for wet mopping jobs, or the Bravo Jet M6 is great for deep cleaning. It can get stuff in dirt and grime, and it can handle ketchup no problem. Okay, so see you later.